Oo, sana to siya before. And then, of course,
So Lincoln and the commercial
yes, C1 Rockwell.
si Juan Rockwell kanang 2 ug 3 nga murag pale white pa
Possibly,
mo
yes.
na future.
Future development, possibly residential.
Okay.
So what we wanted to showcase here sa new model is what we'll do with the expansion sa Santa Barbara. So again, we're expanding the area ni retail, more than doubling its size. So dapat yung size na increase here, you'll notice.
Yes.
But very nice siya because makita na dyan sa mga tao nga the additional access point and sa impact niya.
And Lincoln is 2030 expected right turnover.
2030, yes.
Dungan ba sila with the this commercial tower in front, Juan Rockwell?
Yes, most
Okay. Also the mall, no? Parang
as much as possible, we want the mall to come with the residential dyan. Okay, para more gets one experience mo siya.
yeah.
More kulang siya without the retail.
Mhm.
But anyways, yeah, it's the same. Yeah, ma-highlight na sa you have direct access from Lincoln. You can see the Rockwell lights. And then, of
Yes.
course, it's still the same thing na the main entrance is here, Pope John Paul. Then we have 2 entrances there, sa Golan Drive, President Rojas. And of course, there's the left side is Samantha Bandra.
Yeah. Yes, this one, Samantha Badra. Na-acquire naman, no? Ni Rockwell.
Acquired naman na siya. So we're now, I'm proud to say na we are 3.6.
This is the flyover, yeah.
Yes.
And Cebu ID Park.
ID Park
Okay.
na siya.
Yes. IPI done Rockwell, guys.